Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 24th of March 2023. So today we are going to jump into this discuss local stock segment. So today we're going to talk about this Topglove. We know that now the glove stocks, the glove counters has been rebounding. Okay, especially the big four, the bigger one. The smaller one also rebounding, but not as strong. So of course, when we want to talk about glove, the first one we must talk about Topglove, right? Topglove, okay, it's the biggest one in the world, biggest glove company in the world, right? Okay, so before we start, let's take a quick look at the introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, Topglove. www.topglove.com. Okay, so let's look at their product. Okay, of course they are makers of this glove product. Okay, we got nitrate, latex, PVC, PE, polychloropene, right? Polychloropene, polychloropene, and polyisophene, right? Okay, flexilon. So there are quite a few types, okay, on this glove. Okay, of course, most there are surgery, microsurgery, many types. Okay, trauma, high risk surgery, under glove, double donning, allergy protection. Okay, so many types. Okay, then also, of course, they also make non-glove. Okay, which is 3-ply medical mask, condom, oral care, toothpaste, personal care, sanitizer, okay, and antibacterial hand wash. Okay, all these things. Okay, so you know what are their businesses all about. Let's take a quick look at this management team, executive committee. Let's look at the executive one. Okay, others not executive, we don't talk, because executive are the one that actually make daily decisions. Okay, to run the company. So of course we know Tan Sri Dr. Lim Vichai is the executive chairman, Lim Cheong Guan managing director, Lim Hui Shin executive director, Yong Lin executive director, Melissa Cho Hui Giap director financial controller FC, Aaron Lam Yat Hing director of marketing, Hugh Kon Fa executive director, joint manufacturing council, Lim Xin Chiang senior JGM, joint manufacturing council, Lim Jin Feng deputy general manager of marketing. Okay, so this is the executive committee and also look at the senior management team. Okay, basically, okay, Hugh Kon Fa executive director, Melissa Chio director financial, we know that. Okay, Aaron Lam director marketing. So this was the group just now. Okay, Leong Chiu Man senior general manager marketing, Michelle Ang Pek Kian general manager sourcing procurement. Okay, wow, even every division, every department also got GM. Ken Su senior general manager Assistant to Chairman Johnny Loy Chu Ling, Senior General Manager Marketing Chen Chu Lan, General Manager Finance Ravi Analaki Supramaniam, General Manager Manufacturing. Okay, so there are so many general manager. Okay, this is wow, too many lah. Okay, we just go through a few lah. So you know the board is very big lah. When you go to board meeting, my God, this is going to be it's going to be how I do it's going to be complex lah. I don't want to say ugly but complex lah. Okay. Okay, let's dive into Topglove. Let's see, 7113. We are looking at return on equity negative 6.83, PE negative 22.61, earning per share negative 4.51. So now the company started to lose money, so their PE actually gone down below zero, negative, sorry. Okay, so it's if this company potential can next time can make money, then this is a good time to buy, right? Okay, with a negative PE. Market cap 8.371 billion. Okay, quite big company. Total cash 703 million. Total debt 448 million. Debt to cash ratio 0.638. Debt to equity 0.07. Okay, so this company is not has debt but is well controlled so the debt to equity actually is very low so they got no debt issue. Debt to cash also, cash is actually more than debt. Okay, still okay. Okay, look at the annual report. Okay, of course biggest is 2021 okay, so the company has been making profit since we started to see 2016 until 2022 okay, until 2022. So the company has been making profit. Of course the biggest profit was during the pandemic, 2 years. Okay, the first year of pandemic 2020 make 1.9 billion. The second year before after the second year pandemic make 7.9 billion okay, with 16 billion sales okay, so before the pandemic it is averaging around 361 million profit okay. So it's averaging around 300 over to 400 over million. Okay. So last year it still managed to make 336 million with 5.5 billion sales. So the sales were around 3 to 4 billion. Okay. Prior pandemic 3 to 4 billion. Okay. Now let's see this year 2 quarter. Okay. Since last year 4th quarter we start to lose money. Okay, because as you know after pandemic there are a lot of competition. Before pandemic they're doing well, right? But why after big money this is just an idea okay, just my perception. So before pandemic, why it's making a lot of money, why it makes money, but why after pandemic lose money, right? Because selling price is dropping, right? A lot of competition, right? Many more companies starting to make glove, now become oversupply. Last time it was the supply and demand is balanced. Now suddenly a lot of companies started to do glove, right? So when many companies started to do factory, started to do glove, now no more pandemic, so now got oversupply, right? That's why probably okay the price drops so much that it can't even sustain sustain profitability. Okay, so first quarter, let's see how it does. Okay, last year 4th quarter lost 42 million. This year first quarter lost 168, and second quarter lost 164. So the gap is not dropping yet. Okay, the gap dropped a little bit, but the losses is not coming down yet. Okay, let's see the sales. Revenue last year 990 million. Okay, still cannot make profit out of 990 million. Still cannot make profit. So you can how do you expect it can make profit out of 632 million, right? So it's actually dropping. Okay, and the second quarter of this year also 618 million. So it cannot make profit out of 600 million. Okay, so it need to go higher than that in every quarter. Okay, so you need to go higher than that. Even 990 not enough. So probably you need to reach the 1 billion area. Okay, this is just an idea just my perception, my analysis. Okay, you need to make a billion okay, with the current price So we need to make 1 billion probably to make, unless the average selling price is going up, at least, and unless the average selling price is going up. Okay, so look at the quarter. Okay, it's still dropping lah. So for now it's still on the drop. Okay, it's still the profit, everything, the profit and the profit and revenue both is still on the drop. Okay, it's still on the drop. Okay, it's still coming down lah. It's still okay. It's still on its way down. Okay, it's still on its way down. Okay, trying to flatten a bit. Okay, the losses have slowed down a bit. Okay, from 52 to 168, but now it's maintained at 164, 164 lah. So it have flattened a bit lah. Hopefully, slowly it's on the way back up. Okay, if the next 2 quarter means is turning on its way up lah, means it has it get more sales and less losses so it's starting to make a U-turn up lah. Then okay, that's why now we see a lot of these institutions starting to position in, right? So basically probably this is the bottom lah, as we say, and we see the chart, right? We got discussed this chart, the healthcare chart, right? Okay, we talk about this, right? Head and shoulder, and it didn't manage to go through the head and shoulder. Okay, but now it's trying to rebound from this area, which is a double bottom. Okay, if we double bottom, we look at here. Okay, 1976, right? Okay, so this is a double bottom, right? Okay. Okay, if we head and shoulder, okay, if this pattern we count these patterns, then it should go even higher, right? Okay, it should go even higher to this area, right? Okay, to this area. But now we look at the double bottom first. We don't go so far, so far yet. So it got chance to go for the this one for the whole division. Okay, look at Topglove. Topglove today still up. Okay, so Topglove, I said, is trying to come out to challenge this top. Okay, 1.05. Okay, 1.05. We have some resistance at RSI overbought, so there could be a top here. So don't expect every day it's going to go up 5%, 10% non-stop lah. I think probably it reach this area, I think it will have a retracement. It make another higher low, then maybe it got chance, maybe it go up again. Okay, because already overbought. Yeah, last time overbought at the top channel, so it retraced back. Okay, it came back down. So don't expect the price will always go up. Okay, always go up. So this is not the time to buy. Okay, wait for a retracement first. Okay, for the price come back to RSI 50 area, okay, maybe it's a better time to buy. Okay, but if you're positioned in after that day, the breakout is okay. Okay, after the breakout is okay. That day I talk about this breakout, right? Okay, this breakout. Okay, then it's okay. Okay, for long term, we are looking at this. Okay, for long term we are looking at this. So it's actually starting a slow channel. Okay, slower channel, not AX vertical up. So this one is slowly, I think it's making something like this. So it's slowly, okay, on its way up, crawling its way up. So take note, I said this is a bottom. When you pick bottom, you have to keep very long time. Okay, pick bottom is not 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, only AX managed to do that. Profit 200%. Okay. Okay, so this one we have to keep some patience. Looks for now, okay, the uptrend looks like you already make a bottom, is trying to reverse up. Okay, as market probably anticipate here. Okay, the loss okay, means the bottom that means the company, okay, has reached its lowest point means the biggest the biggest losses is around 168 million. So they don't think it's going to make much more losses. Probably they have a chance to slowly slowly balance out the demand and supply and demand. Okay, with the ASP price going up, probably slowly is coming back up. Okay, but the speculators, they position in normally half a year earlier than the retail, right? The retail, which is all the retail waiting for good news. Okay, when you hear good news come out, you are the last one to jump in. Okay, so Therefore, this is my analysis on this not to say analysis, just to share okay, my idea, okay, on this Topglove. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.